Alright guys, today we have a 2006 ACURA MDX and the belt is making this squealing noise. I'm going to show you how to check this noise, alright? So all you're going to need is a little soapy water, spray onto the belt, and the noise should go away and it will come back just like that. That's just to determine that the belt is bad, alright? So that's how you check the belt. And from there on, just replace a belt, alright? Alright guys, so I got the belt. If you have an 06 MDX, use this Continental Conti-Tech belt, alright? That's the part number. This belt, when I remove it, you're gonna see it looks fairly new, alright? There's nothing wrong with this belt. It's just the grip of it, alright? That's what's causing it to make noise. It's slipping, that's what's doing, alright? So again, there's the belt and that's the spray. That's all you need to check the belt on this ACURA MDX. Alright guys, so to remove this belt, all you need to do is get a tool, 14 millimeter, and that's the tensioner right there. And all you do is you push this back. You see that belt is loose, alright? So that's all you're gonna do. I'm not gonna be showing you guys everything, but that's all I wanted to show you. Once I have it off, I'll show you the belt. But you can look at the belt right now, it looks fairly new. Alright guys, I removed the belt. So this is the belt I put in the package already because I'm sending this back as warranty for the customer. But look at that, alright? The belt looks new. So that goes on the floor. This is the new belt we're gonna be putting on. I have the belt off. So just pay attention to the routing when you take it off because you don't want to lose the routing. Alright, I know this is back of my head, so I'm gonna be just putting it on. And I'll show you once it's completed and we'll start up the car together. Alright guys, got the car running with the new belt on and there it is, alright? Nice and smooth, no sound. So if you're having that problem, just spray some of this water on it. So all I have here is what you see here is not what's in there, alright? All I have is a little bit of a dishwasher soap with water with dishwasher soap. Just about like 1 teaspoon in there. And I use the same one to check flat fixes. If there's a leak in the tire, this will also show you that, alright? But anyways, thank you, subscribe, bye bye, we'll see you on the next one.